In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't open this document error on Google Docs. If you're trying to open a document on your Google Docs app, but it keeps returning this message, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, check and ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection before you can try again. However, if it is still impossible, then you need to try and troubleshoot your app. To do this, go to your phone and look for settings option. Under settings, look for this option, apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and from here search for Docs app. As you can see, here it is, and the first thing you want to do here is to force stop the app, okay, and then go to clear data and clear cache, and okay, and then clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Google Docs app, log in with the correct email, and then find the document you want, and now it should be able to open. However, at this point, if you still can't open the document that you have on your Google Docs, then go further and ensure that you are not using any VPN app on your phone, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Also, if you have a recently installed security app, you'll need to uninstall it, as this might be causing this problem. However, if this still fails, then you want to go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for Google Docs, and update your Google Docs app to the latest version in case you have an update, as this might be the main reason you are experiencing this. However, if you still can't open this, then you want to try and log into your Google Docs using a web browser and see if the document will open. However, if this still fails, then most likely the problem is with Google Docs servers. For that, you'll need to wait after some few minutes. If you go back to your Google Docs, now you should be able to open the app and open any document with ease. Kindly let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.